What time is it? It's package unboxing time again. Wait, did I hit record? Yeah, I did hit record. Alrighty, package unboxing. Hope everybody's doing well. We've got a bunch of keys in here that need to go and get cut keys. Bet you'll never guess where this one's from. Ugh. Okay, so really not a whole lot in here besides that would have sucked. Keys. So Schlage 250, quick set 250. 2 bags of 1/4-inch spacers for mortise cylinders. Cylinders, and keys being, so we have a crap load of thumb turns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whole box of thumb turns, 6 dummy cylinders. If you don't know what a dummy cylinder is, it is a dummy cylinder. It is just something to fill a hole.
Hi guys!
They heard you in the last video, but they didn't see you.
Oh, hi guys!
You have to go reply to a bunch of people too.
I'll do it.
Dummy cylinders. And let's see, we have some Sergeant HN. That does not look like 50 LAs. It would be in a box if it was 50.
We can check that invoice.
H70 over there. H75 with rubber head. Another dummy cylinder. B102. Don't use these nearly as much as we used to, and that's it. So there we go. So did we get charged for
20?
He wrote 20. I told him a box of 50.
Well, you know, some people don't like to listen to you.
Go through 20 in like a day and a half.
What? I wasn't listening.
Oh, well, I got to put another order in.
Well, there you go. Well, guys, that seems to be it. They're not here to see me. They're here to see you.
They get tired of seeing me, though.
Well, I've been married to you for, wow, we're going on being together for 19 years, and I don't get tired of you.
Oh, that's so sweet. I love you.
I love you, too. Now give me my money. I really do love you. Who else would put up with that for almost 19 years? No, inflation's gone up. We don't want to hear change. Fine.
No, give me
I
my
want
quarterback.
dimes. Give me 2 dimes and a nickel.
No. I gotta go key up a bunch of cylinders now. So yeah, it's extremely short. Probably never get uploaded.
A quarter to your thoughts?
Unboxing.
For your thoughts? A quarter for... Oh. Well, I'm going to take that compliment back. They're going to get confused. You're going to make everybody seasick. It's going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. No, they don't want to see that.
All right, guys. Catch y'all next video.
Bye, guys. Oh, my goodness. Those poor people just don't deserve that kind of nonsense. He's silly. He's very silly.
These are actually all going to one customer, so there's no real stocking involved on that one. Any of those cylinders, except for just unboxing them and putting them in a thing ready to go. Wait. All right, to 875. Get on there. B102 is right over here. And of course,
Yes.
Hello.
What, who? Oh, yeah, hey.
LA and HN.
Okay, I'll walk on down there. All right, thank you.
Is Ollie Man ready?
Yeah, he'll be ready in 15.
Ollie Man got him a haircut.
He did. Think he'll be so handsome.
He's gonna be funny as shit. We're gonna look at him.
He's gonna be more Chihuahua than Poodle. Because he was definitely pushing Poodle. And you know, when he was sitting on my lap, I noticed that dog was really like a burrito. More so than normal.
I wonder how fat he really is.
I bet we're gonna find out.
We're gonna find out if he's gotten chunkier.
Well, what? That's why I don't let Jack eat the food that I'm giving Itza. It's high in protein and fiber.
And cost.
Yeah.
Needless to say, and
No,
cost.
No, you missed it. Totally missed it. You need some direction.
I need some direction. There we go. Well, I got it zoomed in, so.
Yeah.
Let's zoom out. Oh, wait, zoom.
Wrong one.
Okay, there we go. Oh, look, finally we got some real Sergeant keys instead of these jet Sergeant keys. We're going to put these over into the special use only.
Oh, I have to call that. Okay, too.
Actually, 20 is kind of good for right now. So, I say that, somebody will come in needing 50 keys. I mean, I got 50 here. I see 20, and there's about 20 there. So, I mean, that's 40. That'll hold me over. Yeah, there we go. Now we're gonna go unbox.
Hey, lady, this is
All
Jill
of
with
these.
SC Locking Key. Hey, I just wanted to let you know the Sergeant keys have arrived. Okay, thank you. What was that?
What was what?
All right. Need help unboxing anything before I go retrieve the pup? Probably looks like a burrito. One out.
Yeah.
Oh, we got the little,
I don't need the spare.
huh?
I don't need the spare. There's some right there. The 1-inch used to not come with these, but
Now they do.
now they do. You don't really need these because on most things that use a standard cam needs to be 1 1/8 at least for the length to be able to reach down in there. 1 inch is often too short for blocks that have a trim like Sergeant, stuff like that. So you can't use 1 inch anyway, which is why they never sent standard cams with it, because 1 inch is almost always just going to be used on storefront doors. So there, wait. How do you go in here?
I just closing them back up and putting it in the box.
Okay, it's full.
Well, may as well keep them together.
What are you doing?
Full is full is
Stop
full.
it.
Oh, there. Am I being annoying?
No.
Is this my prize for helping?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I feel so...
Speaking of, we got to take care of that dang...
What dang?
Our trash area is getting full.
Oh.
I'm going to go ahead and pluck the stuff off of them.
No.
Pluck the stuff, baby. You have fingernails, I don't.
Mm-hmm.
I can't do this one.
Okay. Why are you taking a little...
I can't do this one. So they won't have to do it?
Oh.
It's meant to
You.
protect in packaging, but very often people... I can't do this one either.
You just owe me big time. I want my coffee if this is the case.
Ah, I got one.
Oh. What, was it one that I started for you? Oh, Saved by the Bell.
Oh, man. I'm going to leave it on the dummies, though.
See, lock and key may help you. Where are you located? I'm sorry, I don't have anybody available in that area. Thank you.
Come here, fingernail.
You know, for the past week, everybody who owns a Honda has lost their keys. And no, I'm serious. It's been like an 02, 03, 04 every day this week, 3 and 4 phone calls a day for Honda Accords with lost keys.
1/4 inch spacer rings for 1 inch cylinder is what you
in the
need.
heck did you do?
I know, it's tough, right? Even with fingernails, it's tough. Did you count these?
No.
One of our old distributors actually told me at one time, speaking of pins, since I just did that pin kit refill, that he would,
You didn't believe it.
he'd have like people call and say, I only got 48 pins out of the 40, 50 in the back. I was like, seriously? Yep, they would count their pins. I've never counted my pins. So, no telling if I've been shorted or not. And standard cams, these are going to go in scrap because I don't need them. I've got hundreds of them. So, that's it on the unboxing and stocking.
We're about a 1/4 mile north of
Move over here. Oh. Thanks for watching, guys. Y'all have a great one. See you next video.
Okay. Well, if you need help, if you get
No,
around, just
actually.
give me a call. Here. I need to go retrieve the dog before it starts pouring.
Is it supposed to rain?
Yeah, it started.
Oh. You scratched it.
I did scratch it.
I told you not to do the dummies.
That was underneath the dummy. Thank you very much.
Oh. Well, that's why I said don't do the dummies. These are already stamped. So yeah, I could count those, but I'm not. Call like me and be like, you only sent us 249 Schlage keys. Damn it. Got another unboxing. Ain't that right, Kim? Oh. Yeah. She said hi.
Hi. Sorry.
Okay. Another one. Didn't get the first one uploaded, so I ended up ordering the pins that I needed on this one because I had a customer come in late and I had something to an order, so let's get this out the way. Here, babe.
Gee, thanks.
You're welcome.
Why would you without that?
Okay, looks like a bunch of locks and more cylinders. We have a
Hi, guys.
couple of single cylinder deadbolts, a couple of double cylinder deadbolts. And let's see, there's two LA, one Wiser, one thumb turn. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Wait a minute. 4. Haha. And pins. Yay. Not too many. I looked here and then I saw this. I was like, why are they all purple? 28, 240, 264. All the ones that I forgot to order and I still haven't put these up yet. So let's go. Actually, I got to do this for a customer. And that gets 2 cylinders and all that goes in my truck. And I'm not going to subject y'all to another pin thing. So there we go. Now we're all done with unboxing and stocking for this week. What? Yeah, I'm about to go do that. Get it ready.
Did we charge them for that?
Yeah. See y'all later.
Just making sure.